how to change your wallpaper on the desktop monitor or on your laptop. The way you can change your wallpaper is you can right click on any empty space here. Then you are going to click on personalize, and this is going to open the settings. When this opens, you're going to see background. Click on that. And here you have the personalize your background option here. When you click on this drop down, you have four options you can go for here. You can change the picture as is right now. So for you to be able to change this picture, all you can do is you can select any of these pictures that are here. When you select this, it's going to change your screen. As you can see, this has changed here. If you go ahead and choose another one, maybe this one, it's going to change the wallpaper like that. Then you can also choose a photo from your computer. So you can just come down here and you click on browse photos. It's going to open the computer browser where you can choose what you want to do. So for instance, we can select this image and just choose the picture like that. And this is going to be set as the background image or as the wallpaper. This is not what we want. In this case, I'll just get rid or ignore that one and bring back this. But there is also another one where you can choose a solid color. For instance, you can click on this solid color and choose any of these colors that are here. Maybe you want your background to be black, or maybe you want it to be orange. Right now, black is selected. When we leave this like that, this is how our wallpaper is going to look like. If that's not what you want, you can go ahead and choose a different color, maybe a red or a blue, and you can see how this is going to look like. And this is uh, the color that we select. This is a solid color. But also you can choose to use the slideshow. Now, a slideshow, this is why you choose multiple images together so they can just randomly switch between themselves. Now, here when you choose the slideshow, this allows you to select a folder of images that you want to be used as the slide. So for instance, I have pictures. If I select or choose this folder, and the first image in that is going to be the background. But also, there is also another one where you can just choose Windows Spotlight option. The Windows Spotlight option, this is why you can just, let Windows do its thing. And here you have beautiful wallpaper images that you can work with. You don't have to worry about anything. And this is powerful and this is beautiful. So this is how you can change your wallpaper image on your desktop monitor or on your laptop. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.